Oh, hi there. Welcome to Class Creatives, the home of the industry's top talent with a combined experience of excellence spanning over 20 years in the creative field. We have accredited university instructors teaching these courses at a fraction of the cost of a university class. Imagine all that learning you can achieve with those savings. Here at Class Creatives, you'll get all the professional experience of an accredited course, but in the comfort of your own home and at the convenience of your schedule. So come on in and enjoy some of the best lectures online, stressing strong fundamentals, tips and tricks that real professionals use to make games and even movies. Oh yeah, have a suggestion for a course, something you'd like us to cover in the future? Feel free to shoot us a message. We always love to hear your feedback and how to improve courses for students just like you. I'll see you soon in the lectures and enjoy your journey with the one and only Class Creatives.